In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the process of accessing help using ClickUp, focusing specifically on utilizing their support resources effectively. Whether you're new to ClickUp or just in need of a refresher, this guide should make things clear and straightforward. To start, you'll want to go over to ClickUp's main page. This is where it all begins. Accessing ClickUp is pretty simple. If you're already familiar, you probably have it bookmarked, but if not, you can easily find ClickUp through your preferred search engine. Once you're there, take a moment to look around. Familiarize yourself with the layout, as starting in a comfortable digital space can be quite helpful, particularly when learning new processes. Now, once you're on ClickUp's homepage, you'll need to direct your attention towards the Help and Contact section. This part of the website is designed as your gateway to support. It's built for users who might need a bit of guidance or have questions about the platform. You'll locate this section usually at the bottom of their web page, and it's your go-to spot for any inquiries related to the functionality of ClickUp. When you've found Help and Contact, click on Contact Us. This is the next step in reaching out for help. Clicking this link will direct you to a more focused support page. It's here where ClickUp truly shines in customer support. They provide a couple of options for getting the help you need. You'll see different categories of issues or topics that you might need assistance with. So be sure to take your time in selecting the right one. This ensures you get to the solution as efficiently as possible. After choosing the category that best fits your need, you'll see the option to chat with our automated assistant. This feature is one of ClickUp's proactive strategies for providing quick help. The automated assistant is designed to save you time by addressing common questions instantly. So when you start chatting with the assistant, be sure to ask clear, specific questions. The more specific you can be, the easier it will be for the assistant to provide the correct information or guide you on your journey to resolving your issue. And just like that, you've completed the process and accessed the resources available to support your ClickUp experience. Even if you're finished for now, remember that these tools are here whenever you need them. It's a simple yet effective way to ensure you're never stuck or unsure for long when using ClickUp. With these steps, navigating their support system becomes a breeze, letting you focus on maximizing productivity and efficiently managing tasks with ease. Thank you for taking the time to learn this straightforward approach to utilizing ClickUp's support systems. I'm confident this guide has empowered you to find solutions whenever you need them, and I encourage you to make use of these resources at any time.